If you're in the market for a new cookware set that offers versatility, durability, and superior cooking performance, this KroWallu 10-piece pots and pans set might be just what you need. This stainless steel cookware set is perfect for modern kitchens, offering everything from small saucepans to large stock pots. Whether you're cooking for a family or preparing meals for a small group, this set is designed to handle it all. It includes induction-compatible pots and pans, so no matter your stovetop, it's the perfect match. Key features and benefits. With this wide selection of pots and pans, you can tackle everything from sautéing to simmering and frying to stewing. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this set has you covered. Superior durability with food-grade stainless steel. Crafted from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, this cookware set is built to last. It's completely free of PFOS and PFOA, chemicals often found in non-stick coatings that can be harmful to health. The rust-proof and corrosion-resistant properties of stainless steel ensure your cookware remains in great condition for years to come. If you're looking for a set that can handle daily use without showing signs of wear and tear, the KroWallu set is your answer. Quick and even heating with 3-ply construction. One of the standout features of this set is its 3-ply stainless steel base. This feature is designed for optimal heat distribution, which means your pots and pans will heat up quickly and evenly. The thick aluminum core between the layers of stainless steel helps in faster cooking, reducing cooking time, and saving energy in the process. Whether you're simmering a sauce, frying an egg, or making a stir-fry, you can trust that your ingredients will be cooked perfectly every time. Compatibility with all cooktops. No matter what kind of stovetop you have, the KroWallu cookware set is designed to work with all types. From gas to electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops, this cookware set will work seamlessly across the board. It's also oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which adds versatility when cooking dishes that need to go from stovetop to oven. Tempered glass lids with steam vents. This cookware set comes with tempered glass lids that allow you to keep an eye on your food while it's cooking. The steam vents in the lids also offer added safety and strength, preventing any pressure buildup inside the cookware. These thoughtful additions make cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking doesn't have to be a chore. The KroWallu stainless steel cookware set is designed to be easy to clean, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. However, for the best results and to preserve the cookware's quality over time, hand washing is recommended. Lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The KroWallu cookware set comes with a lifetime warranty. This means that you're making a risk-free investment. If you ever have any issues with the cookware, simply contact customer service and they'll take care of it promptly. The 24-hour response time for customer support shows just how committed they are to ensuring your satisfaction. Why choose KroWallu 10-piece pots and pans set? There are many cookware sets available, but the KroWallu 10-piece stainless steel set stands out for a variety of reasons. Versatility. Whether you're cooking for a single person or feeding a large group, this set has the pieces needed for everything from simmering sauces to frying up eggs. Durability. The rust-resistant stainless steel ensures that this cookware will stand the test of time, with no concerns about peeling non-stick coatings. Healthy cooking. Without the need for additional oils or butters, the stainless steel pots and pans let you cook more healthily. The non-toxic material guarantees a safer cooking experience. Energy efficiency. Thanks to the 3-ply construction, you'll find that heat is distributed evenly across the cookware, reducing overall cooking times and conserving energy. Final thoughts. Is the KroWallu 10-piece stainless steel cookware set worth it? The KroWallu 10-piece pots and pan set delivers outstanding performance, versatility, and durability, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, this cookware set will enhance your cooking experience. The thoughtful design, along with the use of high-quality materials, ensures that you'll be able to cook with ease, enjoy better heat distribution, and reduce cooking time. With a lifetime warranty and commitment to customer satisfaction, you're making a risk-free investment in high-quality cookware. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen game, The KroWallu cookware set is a solid choice that offers long-lasting value.